Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a Labubu shop paper DIY tutorial. It is very easy to make, so let me show you how it works. First of all, this is a Labubu paper squishy which we made. So he is going to go in the shop and buy some things. So first of all, he is going to buy this boba blind box, then a stationery blind box, then the mystery blind box, and also a paper squishy, which is a apple juice which our Labubu can also drink. So these are total $4, so each of them cost $1. So we have to give the shopkeeper $4 as well. So now we are going to put the space which we have, which has written put cash here. So we have put. Now we are going to unbox it with our Labubu. First of all, this is going to be the stationery blind box, which looks like that, and there is some rarities. So let's see which rarity did we get. So this is a paper which has written you got. So what did we got is common, which we of course don't like as always. Then we got a scissor for common. Now this is the boba blind box, which also have rarities, and pink boba, purple boba, green boba, or blue boba are the secret one you can get. So let's see which boba did we get and which rarity as well. So the paper also has you got, and we got uncommon, this one, which is a triangle, and we got the blue boba, which is really cute. Now we are going to unbox the mystery blind box. So let's see which we get. So the rarity which we got is a paper which as always says you got, and we got 1000 mystery. Okay, and there's also a plus in it. So the squishy which got is, oh my god, what is that? Labubu, see, what is that? Oh my god, we don't like. So we also have this cute little apple juice paper squishy which our Labubu can drink, as I told you before. So if you want to see how to make one of these, let's get into the tutorial. First of all, take a small piece of paper and fold it in half. Then you are going to sketch your Labubu design. Like that. Then you are going to outline it with a black pen or marker, and get an eraser and erase the sketch marks. And now it's time for coloring. I'm going for a soy milk. You can do lychee berry, sesame bean, green grape, or something else. So now do the skin color and color into the eyes with black marker. And now you are going to laminate it with tape and cut it out. Then you are going to take a small piece of tape and put it on it and make some small cuts like that. Next, take the back part of the squishy and fold the cuts on it. And follow the steps. We'll leave a hole at the end so that you can stuff it with cotton. You can use cotton or plastic bags if you don't have cotton for stuffing. And now close it up with tape as well. And your Labubu paper squishy is done. Then for the blind box, you are just going to like sketch out the box. And now you are going to sketch out the design and outline it with a black pen. Then you are going to erase the sketch mark so that it doesn't look messy. And then color it with marker or colors. Then laminate it with tape and cut it out. Next you are going to fold all the sides like I am doing. But cut these parts which I am cutting. Like that. Now the piece which we cut, we have to stick it back on the right place like I am doing. And with the tape, you are going to stick all the sides together with tape. And make sure to leave a hole at the end so that we can put the things we want to put in it. Now take a small piece of tape and fold it again and again. Now stick it on the blind box and take a small piece of tape and put it on the thing which we made so that it can be closed easily. And make 2 more like that. Next, take a small piece of paper and fold it in half. Then you are going to write "You got" on it and write any rarity you want. So this is going to be the secret, so I'm gonna write 1000 plus mystery and color or decorate it. Next you are going to take a small piece of paper and fold it in half and sketch the squishy design. And outline it with a black pen and erase the sketch marks. And now it's time for coloring. Then laminate it with tape and leave a hole at the end so that we can stuff it with cotton or plastic bags. So this is going to be a mini squishy, so I am like filling as much as I can so that it can be like squishy. And the squishy is done. Now you are going to put the squishy and the rarity inside the blind box and do the same with the other ones, like that. Now take a small piece of paper and fold it in half. Then you are going to sketch out the design of the paper squishy. I'm going for a Hello Kitty and outline it with a black pen and erase it with an eraser. and color it. And laminate it with tape and close it up and leave a hole at the end so that you can stuff it with cotton, and then close it up with tape. And now make 2 more like this. Then you are going to make like some rectangles. I made 6 rectangles, and now make the money signs with a dark green marker. And color it with a light green marker. And then laminate it and cut it out. So our money is done. Then take a small piece of cardboard, which is like a rectangle, and stick it on a white piece of paper with glue. Like that. And then cut it out, and it's done. Now make some 2 rectangles which are like really long, like that, and also put glue on it and stick it on a white piece of paper. And cut it out. Then I'm using hot glue gun to stick it on like I'm doing. When it's done, it will look like that. Then you are going to write the name of the shop you want to be. I'm writing Labubu shop on a piece of paper. And then laminate it and cut it out, and use double-sided tape to stick it on like that. Next, you are going to take a small piece of paper and write put cash here. Like that. And I also made a small piece of cardboard, and then I colored it with a black marker. And now you are going to stick it with a glue gun and stick the note which we write with it like that. Next, for the shopkeeper, I am drawing a half Labubu, and the color is going to be dark brown. And then you are going to laminate it and cut it out. It should look like that. Now use glue and stick it on like that. And you can put cash right over here which we made. And now take a small piece of paper and write $1 and stick it on. You can write $2, $3, it's your choice. And now you are going to assemble everything together. And I also had like these cute little glasses, so I also put them here. And I like cute chromey creature, and look how cute it looks. And make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye.